Please tell me that I can't, that I won't.
What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. Today I have this smartwatch. This is a budget affordable smartwatch. The name of this smartwatch is a bit different, AEAC ID207, and yeah, this one costs less than $50 and I have managed to get a discount coupon from this brand for my subscribers and regular viewers, and after the discount code this one costs even less than the original price. This one comes with a few interesting features. Let's check those features before we do the unboxing. There are 6 different features. The first one is cloud watch face. This is actually online watch faces. There are a lot of online watch faces. We will check some of those. This one comes with a 1.69-inch color display panel. Yeah, it's a LCD panel, but better than many other LCD display panels and comparable with many other OLED panels. This one has blood oxygen monitoring, SpO2 monitoring. This one is 5 ATM waterproof. There are 14 sports modes. Long battery life. I need to explain about this long battery life. I have used this smartwatch for 18 days. They have claimed 14 days of battery life, but I have managed to squeeze up to 18 days. I was a bit confused like why this brand is claiming like only 14 days, because I have managed to squeeze 18 days, and then I have given it to Philip. He has managed to squeeze 13 to 15 days. So yeah, maybe I'm not a power user. If you are a power user, if you are gonna use that sports mode regularly, then definitely you will get 13 to 15 days. But for me, it was 18 days. To pair this smartwatch with our smartphone, we need to download the application VeryFit. This application is available both on the Apple App Store and Google Play Store. I have already downloaded the application. As I've already mentioned earlier, I have been using one of these smartwatches for almost 2 weeks now. So yeah, it's a very smooth process to do the pairing, and this smartwatch is one of the best in its price segment, and that's the reason why I am doing this review video. Well, we will start from unboxing, but before that, if you end up liking this video, if you find this video helpful, then please don't forget to click on the like button and subscribe to this channel. Let's start from unboxing. I really like this minimalistic packaging, not many things written on the box, and yeah, at the back panel of the box it's written heart rate smartwatch. I think they have emphasized on heart rate because heart rate monitoring of this smartwatch is really very good. Okay, let me show you this. Inside the box, I have got a very good quality. I have to mention this is one of the best quality charging cable or charging dongle that I have received inside a smartwatch box. Within this price segment, most of the other smartwatches comes with cheap quality cables and cheap quality dongles. So yeah, this one should get an extra point for providing a very good quality, premium quality charging cable. Strap installation instruction. Yeah, that means we can also change the strap of this smartwatch. There is a card with 4 illustrations, and these 4 illustrations actually describes 4 steps to install the strap. There is an operation manual, and I'm in love with this operation manual. I think all the other smartwatch brands should follow this one. Look at this. They have written everything clearly on this instruction manual. Model ID207, screen type 1.67-inch color screen, charging voltage, battery capacity, everything is there. 300 mAh battery capacity, about 2 hours of charging time. Battery life, it says 8 days. I'm not sure whether they have wanted to write 18 days and then the one is missing or not, but yeah, I have managed to squeeze 18 days. Waterproof level 5 ATM, weight of product 39 grams. Oh my gosh, so very light. Bluetooth version BLE 5.1, operating temperature, product frequency, maximum transmission, power consumption, everything is written clearly on this operation manual. Now let's open the operation manual. Look at this. It's written very clearly how to use this smartwatch, how to download the application, how to do the pairing. Everything is written very clearly and in many different languages. So yeah, every other smartwatch brand should follow like this. This is a simple thing. Maybe most of the people wouldn't read it or check it, but the people who wanna read and check, they will get all the details and information only on a piece of a paper. That's really great. Here comes our AEAC ID207. Function button, please charge to activate the watch before you use it. As I've been using it, it's already powered on. Look at this 1.69-inch display panel. Wow, amazing. This one is really very good. Considering its price, class and segment, this display panel is one of the best. Yeah, there is a bit of a chin, but that's nothing too big. This one goes very bright under sunlight, and you know what? This one comes with automatic brightness control. Look at this. Oh my gosh, really, this is so crazy because most of the other smartwatches, budget and affordable smartwatches, missing this feature, automatic brightness control. Really, this is so crazy. And yeah, if you don't want to use automatic brightness control, I think dimming level 3 or brightness level 3 is good enough. There are a few preset watch faces. This one is one of the best and looks pretty nice. I prefer this one, but if you like something colorful and if you want to get more information on your watch face, then you can use this one. But if you prefer something more colorful, then I would recommend this watch face. Okay, before I have bought this smartwatch, I have been using another smartwatch which costs more than this one, and definitely I have access to many other very expensive smartwatches. But after I have bought this one, and yeah, after using this one for a few days, I think within its price segment, this one is the most comfortable smartwatch that I have ever tried or used. Raise to wake feature works pretty perfect, pretty smoothly. There is no problem. In hand, it feels very soft, very comfortable. The provided TPU silicone strap is really a comfortable one. And you know what? This one is built with both the metal and plastic. Considering its price point, the frame, cutouts, design, build quality, appearance, altogether, this should get 9 out of 10. Here you can see I have already paired and connected my ID207 with my smartwatch through VeriFit application. I have already mentioned that we will need this VeriFit application to pair this smartwatch. There are a lot of options inside the application: notifications, alarm clock, health tracking, call alert, more settings, do not disturb mode, intelligent exercise recognition. This is really crazy because you don't have to select what you are going to do. There are different type of sports. Yeah, there are 14 different sports modes: outdoor run, outdoor walk, indoor walk, hiking, outdoor cycle, cricket, yoga, indoor cycle, fitness, pool swim, open water swim, rower, and elliptical. Well, I think it's more than enough. There is Find My Phone option, music control option, lift your wrist to lit up the screen, weather push, screen brightness, tiles, device language. Now let's check watch face market. Even if it says market, it's for free. It's a free market. Yeah, among all the watch faces, I really like this one. This one is a bit colorful, and the name of this watch face is Luck With You. And they have even written it: may luck, wisdom, and wealth be with you. Already installed. Let's check how does this one looks like. Amazing, right? Super cool. There is another watch face that I like, and that's watch 165. This one also looks very nice. Now let's check the features of this smartwatch. Okay, once we swipe from right to left, there is activity monitoring, step counter, there is heart rate monitoring. This smartwatch AEAC ID207 offers 24 hours of accurate health monitoring, and I have actually measured it with some other smartwatches. This one is truly almost perfect and very accurate. After heart rate monitoring, there is this stress monitoring. This one is also pretty accurate, and I think within this price segment, this one offers better stress monitoring than many other smartwatches. And then after stress monitoring, there is our workout mode. We can select between 14 different workout modes. And yeah, if you like to do exercises, if you like to do activity, then this smartwatch is perfect for you. And then there is this music control application which can control the music, and you can also control the volume of your smartphone. Finally, we are back to the watch face. I actually like this watch face because on this watch face there are a lot of information provided, and inside this watch face there is also a very nice illustration. Yeah, this reminds me about activity and health monitoring. In the beginning of this video, you may have noticed that there was another smartwatch on my left wrist, but now I am using this one. There are different type of smartwatches available in the market. There are different price segments, different type of features, different type of options, and other settings that we need. But after checking this smartwatch, I feel like if almost everything can be achieved within a very affordable and budget smartwatch, then why the most expensive smartwatches sometimes lacks this and that feature? That's really crazy. Anyway, now this is my current daily drive. This is the smartwatch that I wear every day in my daily life because I like this one, and there are two other features that I should mention. The first thing is warranty. This smartwatch comes with 1 year warranty. It's not like on the paper there is warranty, but we are not gonna get the warranty. Whenever we try to claim the warranty, there will be this and that type of trouble or problem or issues. This brand offers a very good, superb customer support. That's really almost impossible to get from other brands which offers smartwatches below $40 or $50. The second thing is build quality of this smartwatch and update frequency, firmware update frequency. This smartwatch comes with a very good build quality, and this brand, they have updated this smartwatch already once after I have bought this one. So they're always trying to improvise through the software upgrade, firmware upgrade. That's the thing I like about any brand. I don't like to take it off from my wrist, but I have to take it off and show you before I finish. Well, that's all about this AEAC ID207 smartwatch. The name is a bit different than many other smartwatches. It doesn't sound so interesting, but the product is so very interesting, and I'm ready to vouch for this one. If you have liked this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button. If you have loved this video, then please don't forget to share this video with your friends and family, and support this channel by subscribing to this channel.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong. I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never